how to verify your identity on Gmail. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Let's get started. If you are having trouble with Gmail verify your identity prompt, I will show you how to fix it in a few simple steps. First, make sure you are logged in from a device and a network you usually use for Gmail. Google is more likely to verify you if it recognizes your device when you see the verify your identity prompt. Try this. Use the forgot password link if it is available. This often leads to a security check where you can verify your identity using a backup email or phone number. If that doesn't work, go to your Google account settings, then security, and ensure two-step verification is set up with the backup methods like a phone number or recovery email. This makes account recovery easier in the future. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache and cookies help reset any login issue on mobile. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Gmail app. After these steps, try logging in again. This should resolve most identity verification problems. And that's it.